Hare Srinivasa, we are studying Jambu Dwipa, the Jambu Island. Importance of Jambu Dwipa, we already know. It is the center of Bhubhaga, mighty earth, and it is covering Meru Parvata. Mount Meru is in the center of the Jambu Dwipa, and the mighty salty ocean Lavana Sagara is encircling the Jambu Dwipa. So far we have studied 3 Varshas of Jambu Dwipa. There are altogether 9 Varshas within the Jambu Dwipa. We have studied so far 3 Varshas: the Ilavarta Varsha, the Ketumala Varsha, and the Bhadrasva Varsha. These 3 Varshas we already studied. Now we will further study the remaining Varshas of the Jambu Dwipa. So we will note it that there are 9 Varshas, 9 Khandas, 9 parts of the Jambu Dwipa. The 4th Varsha is Ramyaka Varsha. The Ramyaka Varsha is of 9,000 Yojana area. It covers 9,000 Yojana. Ramyaka Varsha is above 3 Varshas, namely Ketumala, Ilavarta, and Bhadrasva Varsha. Mount Nila separates Ramyaka Varsha with those 3 Varshas. That is, Ramyaka Varsha is above those 3 Varshas. North of Ramyaka Varsha, the north of Ramyaka Varsha, Mount Sweta is the boundary, and north of the Ramyaka Varsha, Mount Sweta is the boundary mountain. The Ramyaka Varsha and Hiranmaya Varshas are separated by this Sweta mountain. Ramyaka Varsha is having Lavana Sagara, salty ocean as boundary in its east and its west direction. Ramyaka Varsha is the mirror image of Harivarsha of south. In the south of the Meru, Harivarsha is there. This Ramyaka is mirror image of Harivarsha. Mountain Sweta is 86,000 Yojana in length. As usual, the breadth and height of these mountains are 2,000 Yojanas. So Mount Sweta is of 86,000 Yojana and Mount Nila is 96,000 Yojana in length. So now we will study Hiranmaya Varsha. Hiranmaya Varsha is of 9,000 Yojana area. Correct. It is 9,000 Yojana. It is above this Ramyaka Varsha. It separates Mount Sweta of 86,000 Yojana in the south, which separates it with Ramyaka Varsha. The Ramyaka Varsha and Hiranmaya Varsha are separated by Mount Sweta of 86,000 Yojana. To the north of Hiranmaya Varsha is Mount Sringavan. So north of this Hiranmaya Varsha is Mount Sringavan as boundary. Mount Sringavan is 76,000 Yojana in length. It is that boundaries mountains are it is being going on reducing. Once they go up and also once get down of the center point, the Meru Parvata. As usual, the breadth and height is 6,000 Yojanas of each mountains. Thus, Hiranmaya Varsha and Kuru Varsha are separated by mountain Sringavan. Yes, Kuru Varsha and Hiranmaya Varsha are separated by mountain Sringavan. To the east and west, Hiranmaya Varsha is having Lavana Sagar, salty ocean as the boundary. Hiranmaya Varsha is the mirror image of Kimpurusha Varsha of the south. One more we are noticing that the Sringavan mountain is including the mountain Makara and mountain Trisanga. This Makara and Trisanga are inclusive, that mountains are there, inclusive in that breadth length. In the Lavana Sagara of the west side, the Makara, in west side of the Sringavan is the Makara mountain, and the east side of the this Sringavan is Trisanga mountains. They are inclusive, but we will call that Sringavan, Makara and Trisanga. While calling, it is totally Sringavan. We will continue remaining Varshas in next class.